Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I have got my Canyon Hollow Decor quarterly home decor subscription box. I just opened up their monthly mini box, so very excited to see what we are getting this winter quarter. The price is stated right here. And this is one of our most favorite boxes. It's new. I think we're coming up to maybe 1 year now. I think that's correct. But she does great curations. So let's just dive in. Okay, so she always seals her boxes with a wax seal stamp with her brand, her label. And I don't know what is in here. I haven't seen any spoilers. It is very pretty. Look how Christmassy it looks. Now, I do believe there was one other YouTuber that has opened this, but I purposely did not watch it because I didn't want to know. So I am just going to start with this first item right here, the red package with the green velvet. Gonna save that velvet ribbon. It's going right up here in the pile of ribbon that I saved from her 25-day advent calendar because I haven't started wrapping presents yet. All right, let's see. Let's get in here. Okay, things are always well packaged. All right. Ooh, there's multiple things here. Let me put these in there. Okay, so we've got 4 things. It looks like they're all the same. Ooh. So we got, they look kind of golden pewter acorns, and we've got 4 of them. So let me get them all unwrapped. Okay, here we go. I already know where I am going to put all of these. If you haven't seen my mini box unboxing, go and check it out. But we got an item within that box that I am going to use these to hang off of to make I don't want to give away that box, but to make a Christmas display. Let's just say that. So I love these. Okay, let me set these aside here. Okay, next item. Let's go right here because we can kind of see what these are. Oh, all right. I wasn't sure what these were, but now I do. They are wicker bells, and we got a set of 3. Look at these. Now, this is something I do not have. I don't even have anything similar to this. So I absolutely love it. And I am going to gather them all 3 like this with some of her ribbon and make a pretty, like, flowy, hangy thing, a display. And then I think I'm probably going to hang it from a wreath hanger thing on an interior door to make a really pretty Christmas looking display. So I love those. I really like those, actually. I love getting things that I don't have like anything similar to it whatsoever. And I haven't even actually seen those out yet to be sold. So that's even a bigger bonus. All right, our next item here. Let me get the ribbon off of this one. Love the color wrapping that she has. Okay, here we go. So you have seen that she has opened these and repacked them, which is nice because then I take that to mean that she has inspected them, which I really appreciate. So what? Oh, okay. So we we've got a little reindeer. I want to say, did we get a gold one in the 25-day? Gosh, I can't remember 100%, but I think we might have. But I love him, and I love the direction in which he's pointing. I really do. I've not seen that kind of framing there, so I like him. How cute. All right, sit here, and next, oh, we've got two more things in here. I thought this was like a big box underneath, but there's a box under this one. So this is the 2025 Canyon Hollow Decor Winter Collection. Not going to look at the back yet because the back's going to tell us about the products we've got. And we don't want to ruin anything now, do we? This, at first I was going to say is soft, and I think it's bubble wrap, like big bubble wrap. Yep, big bubble wrap. Oh, and I love what I'm seeing here. You get it all unwrapped. Well, I thought I did a good job unwrapping. Well, I'm not doing a very good job, so we'll take it from the top. There we go. So it is a picture. And it's Antique Curiosities. Oh, I love it. It is framed Silent Night. I've seen this before, but I believe I saw a small one. I really like that she has done a larger version of this. This is another, I really like this, but I do. Okay, one more thing in this box. Oh goodness, there we go. And all the crinkles. I find these crinkles everywhere. Right when I think I've got them all picked up, I step on one. And you wouldn't think that a crinkled piece of paper, you would think your foot would just smash it. No, that's not what happens. You know you're stepping on it. So, all right, next, let me put the picture right here. And I cannot wait until I'm off for the Christmas holidays so that I can redo this room and make it a better setup to film. Ooh, okay, we have got a dish, a serving dish. Yes, so we've got a pretty serving dish. That is really pretty. I am getting some really beautiful serving dishes this year. So now I just have to create a menu that will allow me to use all my serving dishes because they're so beautiful. So this is by Certified International. It is dishwasher and microwave safe. It says, caution, use in microwave may cause product to become hot for reheating only. All right, there we go. So let's recap here before we do the card. So for our winter 2025 quarterly, we've got this dish. We have got our Silent Night frame. We have got our little deer, which is going to look very cute beside that. We have got our 4 decorative acorns. And we got our set of 3 bells. I like that she stuck to a holiday curation. The dish, I like the dish. I'll use the dish. I just wish we might have gotten something that was more holiday specific. But I'm still using the dish and loving the dish. So let's look and see what the card says now. Okay, what's in the box? So we got the Silent Night framed artwork, and the product is an exceptional addition to your wall decor. offering a blend of vintage inspiration and modern creativity. It was carefully handcrafted in Hickory, North Carolina. All right, the rattan bells set of 3. So crafted from premium rattan, these bells offer a sophisticated touch to your space. And it does say you can style them together on a bookshelf or have them scattered around your home. Enhance their charm by incorporating a beautiful ribbon, adding a layer of texture to your timeless inspired decor. Then the oval serving dish. Let's see here. It is designed to be both beautiful and functional, whether you're hosting a holiday gathering or serving a weekday dinner. It's made from durable stoneware. It offers long-lasting performance with a look that never goes out of style. Then we got the iron deer. And then we got a set of 4 pine cone ornaments. And it says these pine cone ornaments feature rich textures and warm metallics. I was hoping we would know what they were made of, but it seems like it's some type of metal to me. That's what I think. So, all right, there you have it. That I think, nope, I have one more home decor box coming. And maybe the Jilly box, if it ever shows up. I don't know. But I think that's wrapping up home decor for the winter. It's kind of depressing. It's kind of sad. But you never know what'll show up, you guys. You never know. So thank you for spending some time with me. As always, let me know in the comments, what do you think about this box? Do you think the value is here? I'm very interested to know in this one particular. Do you think the value is here? So, all right, take care, everyone. Bye.